Welcome to our tutorial on how to view thread mentions on Android. If you're looking to keep up with mentions in your Threads conversations, this feature can help you stay on top of the latest activity. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're in the app, choose the heart icon located at the bottom of the screen to view your activity. Next, tap on the Mentions tab located at the top of the screen. This will show you all of the messages in your Threads conversations that mention your name or username. From here, you can easily keep track of the latest activity in your Threads conversations and respond to any messages that require your attention. The Mention feature in Threads is particularly useful for groups with many members, as it allows you to filter out messages that aren't relevant to you. If you're mentioned in a message, you'll receive a notification so you can quickly respond to the message if needed. And that's it. You have successfully viewed thread mentions on your Android device using the Threads app. Threads is a powerful messaging app that allows you to stay connected with your friends and family. By using the Mention feature, you can easily keep track of messages that require your attention and respond to them in a timely manner. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.